Okay, hi boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Sorry for the quiet introduction because I was contemplating. All right, usually I have Uni. Hi boys and girls, this is Uni. Counterpoint to Uncle Al. I know a lot of you are watching me on mobile phones or smartphones, and it's probably too bright, so I'm going to use a cheap filter. Uncle Al isn't high tech, but he figures out solutions. Okay, how's that? A little bit better. Uncle Alan don't have the best equipment, but Uncle Alan does uses his head and what I could do. This is a VR for Will Patriot, Where I Stand. Okay, it's Where I Stand challenge. And where I stand is I'm alive. And two, most people don't recognize me without the top hat and Uncle Al's, whatchamacallit. Everybody wants to know what side I'm political. Uncle Alan's side. When I'm registered, I'm a Republican. When I answer surveys, I'm very conservative. I'm a traditionalist. Everybody kind of looks at me kind of funny, and I smile. Easy to fool people. Just smile and tell them I used to be a lot of things, but I'm not 100% for Trump. I don't show what my affiliation to whatever. If I vote for people who takes out the garbage, okay, if I have a problem, my area has a problem, you take out the garbage, I will vote for you. Whoops, filter fell out. Let's put back the filter. Okay. Anybody who does the job and get it done without a lot of BS. This is why I hate the Democrats, because I won't say the person I helped our campaign back in the 70s, Maxine Waters, because back then I was an idiot idealist and I thought this will help out the people in that area who she voted in. A lot of people, I learned the hard way, are stupid. All right? Did she improve the area? No. Did she help the people? No. This is the same time when crack cocaine showed up in the area and crime went nuts. All right? And we have things you would not believe going on. Okay? Things got worse. So every time I hear a person say, oh, vote Democrat, it's good for you, or socialist, no, it's bad. All right? Once you get them in, it's worse than rats. Then on the other side, we have Republicans. I know both histories. I read, I study, I write. I know how to write cursive. I know how to read. I know how to write. Math is kind of clunky right now because Uncle Al's brain is half rotted away. And let's see what I wrote down because Uncle Al takes a lot of notes. Uh, I read math, history, home ec. I like to cook and sew. I do shop and practical skills. All right. Uncle Alan's already had a whole bunch of STF. Already lost either $4 or $5 million. I've been stomped on by a Holstein bull. Okay. I've been through a lot. I've been shot at, stabbed at, bombed at, blew up in a porta potty and went down a sand dune, waving my hands out of it, screaming my head off. It was so funny that somebody made a video with puppets of the puppets going downhill snowbank in his hand, going down the hill, screaming and waving theirs out of the porta potty. At the time, the Marines miscalibrated on a howitzer, and the shell came back to the camp, which I was delivering. Okay, if you look at my military records paper, I only had 4 years and 2 years active reserve. This doesn't cover my other occupation for the last 20 odd years, and it's pretty well covered. And if you find out, you're going to look at a lot of guys with black suits who's punching the hell out of you. I have to double check because I have my sister's dog and I've been running around too much today. That was for Will Patriot. You can see that. All right. I do the cardboard because sometimes you people don't understand good English. And I'm not technically that great. And we got West Wind Survival. Always like Wayne stuff. Very good. I always do good shout outs. And everybody asks me, what are your viewpoints? I have my own viewpoints because I play my own game. I'm tired of it. You lose 8 girlfriends to death. You get a little pedoed at everybody else. Okay? And these guys always back, including Reed. And people were asking me always, Liberty Garden and a few others, ask me why do I have to push the 5 months and December 27th, 2019. If I told you the truth, you cannot handle the truth. Okay? So when I hear people say something, I have a button now.
No, 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 no.
Okay? If you want to know what I know,
No!
okay, I'm tired. Don't ask me silly questions. If I told you the truth, you'd be screaming at everybody, running around in circles with your mouth and the fly open, or wearing no pants. Okay. Sorry, Jordan. Still haven't fixed this one yet. All right. I 100% support Hoople's Cat EPL. All right. Sometimes he gets me on board. Sometimes they check out these other channels too. They all need our help, and I got several videos I got to do, and this one's getting long, and I know my time limit. And everybody keeps asking me about this. Okay, that's Teowaki. Get the book, read it. Okay, and I keep telling people your time is short, real short. Uncle Alan's losing weight because that's another video. And I always tell people, let's see. Okay, Uncle Alan has enemies. I'm American, so that's one thing Lula wants to know. My family's been American for a long time. We've been deported twice. We went to Arkansas, guest of the U.S. government, seen our house burned down by the Democrats. Family house, had our stuff taken away, and let's see, our property taken away. That's why we hate Disney, and we hate the Democrats. Okay, now I won't say which party, but Adolf Hitler was afraid of them, and now they're everywhere. Hubble's cat says, "Oh no, they're not all like that." I'm sorry, Hubbles. But Uncle Alan's been around too long, and Uncle Alan's tired. I got to fight Corpse. These guys I can't mention because YouTube's scared. I got 183 of them in America. This is not including Canada or Mexico. If I say it, I'll probably get banned. So I won't say it. Also, I'm testing out the timeline. All right? I told you, if I win these numbers, December 27th, 2019 won't happen. I didn't win. It's going to happen. You're screwed. Okay? I hope you got that, Will Patriot. Uncle Alan's tired. I'm getting gray hair. Can't see that from doing all the calculations. I don't have a slide rule. I have to use this thing. Okay, and the worst time when I don't have enough light or the light changes, I'm in a major calculation and it screws up. So anyway, I'm tired. I'm always tired. People burning books. That's blank. And then my friend just in time prepping. I'm trying to keep this short. That's Will, the other Will Russell. And we just had a fine for Saturday, 8 p.m. Mountain Time, just in time prepping. If you're a prepper and you haven't joined the live stream, go join it, okay? It's a really good live stream. Now, I keep telling people read Player. See that book, Player Piano by Kurt Vonnegut. Nobody reads books anymore. Uncle Alan's getting tired. So this is about it. I have to stop it because a lot of you kids out there only watch on tablets or mobile phones, which is really sad because you don't know what it's doing to your mind. It runs off of red, green, and blue pixels. Now a lot of you like, huh? Okay, and that's another video I have to do. Sorry it went over 10 minutes, but this is it. Night, kids. Night, kids.